Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the SoundCore by Anker popping 360 sound. And basically it's the mini version of the Flare 2. So it's the Flare Mini, has the cool boot up sounds as well. And then on the bass, it has the lighting module, which will be ready in just a second. And you can cycle through the different lighting profiles that it has. So they spin and make color. They also change based on the music that you're playing. It's kind of like a dark orange and then turn off. But we like some light when our music is playing. It has all the controls up here, Bluetooth pairing mode. It has your volume up, volume down as well. And of course the lighting mode option right there. So you can see on the table it's reflecting down. And you can pair some of these together. So wireless stereo pairing lasts up to 12 hours, fully waterproof. And you get the really cool light show based on what's coming out of the speaker. And it comes out at 360 degrees. We like that a lot. This is from SoundCore by Anker, and it is the Flare Mini. You can get this now from SoundCore. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up.